What's going down, everybody? Welcome back, fellas, and happy Wednesday, man. So check it out, yo. It's after work. I just got done getting my workout in, and the parts for the '09 Ram showed up while I was getting my grind on. So I opened them up already. I pulled the packing slips out. I don't need none of you cats getting my address, coming by and seeing me, and then we'll be working on our cars together all the time. Don't sound like a bad deal, but hey, it is what it is. But with all that, man, we're gonna go through the boxes. I'll show you the kit I got, the brake pads I got, and all that, man. So let's jump right into this and get it going. So like always, man, jumping right into it. Now, I'm tripping, yo. I forgot to show y'all how bad that brake pad was on the brake pad and bad rotor in bad shape video. So I'm gonna show you that real quick, and then we'll get started. And then you already know, I get my parts from Rock Auto. That's what I'm talking about. Cheap parts is a good thing. So, I'm gonna show you this real quick. Look at that pad, dude. That thing was smoked. No wonder that rotor looks so bad. But, you know, we got everything now to get it going, so we're not even gonna worry about that. That goes right in the trash. So here we go, man. We'll open up the box on the right. So I got the Powerstop kit. I got the Evolution Plus ceramic disc brake pads with hardware kit. And the hardware kit, I believe, is stainless, which is super sweet. Premium hardware, clean rod ceramic, low dust formula, which is a good thing with them chrome rims. Rubberized shim, thermal scorch for fast braking, premium hardware included. So let's jump right into the hardware. Very nice. So this is the rear pads, because that's the clips for the rear calipers. I got me some Powerstop juice that came with it. Can't forget to put the juice on the pads, man. And then I got a nice set of Z17 ceramic pads that are going on. These are the back ones. They look identical. So there's box number one. We slide all this stuff back together, make it look nice. Pull all this packing stuff out of here. Here we go. Here's the rotors. Slide that box out of the way, man. So let's see here. Very nice. This would be the rear rotor. You can see the drum here. Man, this thing is sharp. I'm even thinking, nah, we're not gonna go down that road. Yeah, that thing looks nice. So there's one rear rotor. Nice, smooth. I didn't go with the slotted and drilled. Man, I'm not out there driving like that, fellas. This working home for me. So there's one rotor. Oh man, these jokers are heavy, yo. And here's the second one. And you can, like I said, you can tell it's the rear one because it's got the inside drum. Got my brake part cleaner to clean it all up. I mean, we're in good shape. This thing is nice. So super sweet, man. There's the rear completely. Rear rotors, ceramic disc pads, Evolution Plus, Powerstop. So this here's got to be the front, same stuff. Powerstop, Evolution Plus, everything's exactly the same. Got the nice stainless hardware in it. Beautiful, man, beautiful. Got some more brake juice. Got to have the brake juice. And then the same Z17 ceramic pads, which they look a little different, but they are the front. Sweet. Now we're gonna pop open one of these front rotors. I can let y'all see it. Show y'all what this is. Same style. Powerstop SCR. Look at that thing. That thing is sweet. Here, let me push that box down. Look at that thing, man. Man, look at the meat on that thing. Tell me that ain't sweet. So that's what we're getting into this weekend, man. We are set up for a beautiful weekend, man. Now before I let you go, let me throw y'all some part numbers real quick. So the front rotors are AR8750SCR. If you're looking to get into it, this is the front rotors, 09 Ram 1500. I believe it goes all the way through 09 to 18. So this is the front brake pads. So it looks like the part number is 17-1084. That might be the part number. It's not on the box, fellas, so I can't just give it to you off the box. Oh yeah, it is. I'm sorry. Yeah, it is. What a retard. So yeah, it's 17-1084. And that'd be your front pads, Evolution Plus ceramic disc brake pads. That'll get you going on your front. Don't forget your brake juice. You gotta have it, man. I don't go without it. So for the rear, we are looking at 17-898. That's your rear pads, Evolution Plus ceramic disc pads with the hardware. You always want to replace the hardware if you're doing everything. I mean, don't get me wrong. And the clips should come with it, so I would think you'd buy it all at once. And then the rear rotors are AR8752 SCR Powerstop. This is the rear rotors. So if you want to get it going, man, you're looking to get you a kit, a brake kit, a four-wheel kit, after shipping, taxes, and everything, $342 and some change. So with all that, man, keep living the dream, doing your thing, like and subscribe, and this weekend, we're gonna be getting it on.